Welcome back. In this tutorial, we will understand what is resource-based view. The resource-based view, RBV, is a model that sees resources as key to superior firm performance. RBV is an approach to achieving competitive advantage that emerged in the 1980s and 1990s after the major works. The supporters of this view argue that organizations should look inside the company to find the sources of competitive advantage instead of looking at the competitive environment for it. In the RBV model, resources are given the major role in helping companies to achieve higher organizational performance. There are two types of resources, tangible and intangible. When applying RBV to the competition between Apple Incorporated and Samsung Electronics, we can analyze the key resources and capabilities that contribute to each company's competitive position. The competition between Apple Incorporated and Samsung Electronics is a good example. First is brand and reputation. Apple, renowned for its strong brand image, innovative design, and premium products, Apple enjoys a loyal customer base and high brand equity. Samsung, while also a well-established brand, Samsung is known for offering a wide range of products at different price points, catering to a broader market. Second is innovation and R&D. Apple, a leader in innovation, Apple invests significantly in research and development, resulting in groundbreaking products like the iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Samsung, known for its technological innovation, Samsung invests heavily in R&D, creating a diverse portfolio of products, including smartphones, televisions, and semiconductors. Third is product diversification. Apple focuses on a more limited product range, emphasizing quality and innovation. Samsung offers a wide array of products, from smartphones and home appliances to semiconductors and display technologies, catering to diverse consumer needs. And fourth is patents and intellectual property. Apple holds a significant number of patents, protecting its innovations and creating barriers to entry for competitors. Samsung also invests in intellectual property but has faced legal challenges regarding patent infringement, leading to disputes between the two companies. Understanding the distinctive resources and capabilities of Apple and Samsung through the RBV lens helps shed light on their respective competitive advantages and strategies in the dynamic consumer electronics market. Thank you. You can also check out other important tutorials available at our channel. If you've ever laughed, learned, or just slightly nodded during this video, do me a favor and give it a like. Let's create a virtual high-five moment. Do subscribe our channel and suggest in the comments section if you have any video recommendations. Hope this helps you. Stay tuned.